Rain a come down, but come on, fast. Look at.
Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
I show now Wagwan, right so. So this was a banana I get down at the gully after I build up the shafts for the plants in. Nice fingers of banana, them long, you know. I'm see it catch up some just tie it up and them I go make the sunlight ripe them nicely. You know what I say? Come over here so now. So we have the plant, them our plant. Yeah man. Them looking moist to an extent, but we are gonna water them right now. Church a keep in here, church in our background. Let's fill up some water. I water my plants. And you see it? Pierce some hole into this. Use it as a watering container. So get a sharp nail. I'm gonna punch some holes into the cork or the lid. Alright. So here we go. I use this now. This way we don't use a lot. Easy little settings. And then we have the holes underneath. You see that? It's dripping. You see that? Yeah.
Several days later.
Watch out people. The banana them start ripening and no time. Guess what I forgot to do? I forgot peel them and freeze them to make smoothie and like banana bread and them thing there. Probably I can take off a couple of them to eat now, but through the place are hot, they ripe up quick. This one I forgot to do right now, you know? Cause I could go at Ochi in a day and any of me leave, all of them I go spoil and going down in the woodland would have been all for nothing. So I go cut them up. Some of them are for banana bread. And watch how I go bake these as time goes by. Okay. Nice banana them in man. Cha youth. Smells so sweet. I eat one. Banana them sweet. Okay, I'm gonna spoil. Mad. Can't make them spoil no. I have to go freeze them. Well, the banana wasted. Not really. Haha. See it there? Smoothie this I go make, you know, me cut them up nice and clean. And then I go make some banana bread with them. I probably want 4 banana bread I can get out of that. And smoothies for days. But I go freeze everything right now. And that is it, man. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash away. Rain a fall in the place today, you know. Busy streets. Yeah, we have rain a shell down. I'm sure what I go on with the farm, because I'm telling them I go to the update, you know. Thing look good, you know. So wait there, watch how I go on. The bamboo just are bringing some nice nature to the thing, you see me? And you know we have right there, so the beets, these are the beetroot. Beetroot them are coming nicely. You know over here, so we have the, I think these are the tomato them, you know, could they? Jaja youth. For my tomato them. Right, that's a parsley then start spring out it. Boy. So the soil is nice and moist. Yeah, the parsley not start pop up yet. I believe what is this? I don't remember exactly what this is, but a few little things just a pop out. You see that? Look 1 and 2 a pop out. Yeah. Come over here, so I have my lettuce, you know, don't ramp with me thing. Hey, could they? Farm update, man. Somebody comment and say that's not a farm, that's a garden. Listen to me. I speak it into existence because I go make this major. Nothing mind about the thing, yeah? Right, that's now I remember what this is if a green onion, but you know start spring it. Yeah. Over here, so now, you know, so these are the string beans. You see me? See it there? It look like the leaf them were Hey, watch it in the dirt upon the leaf them, but them are beautiful, man. See them a pop out of soil, eh? I tell you that soil are rich, you know. Alright over here, so what is this again? That's a vegetable. I don't remember what this is, you know, but this I never had that pop up yesterday. Come like it pop out last night. Beautiful, beautiful. Over here, so now this see my melon here. What? You see look a melon seed right here, sir? You see that? Yeah man, these are my melon. And I threw some down in the gully, so that is good. See the melon them a pop out. I believe these are my corns. Yes, these are the corns. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Yeah, man. But we have right as I think these are the cantaloupes, you know, my people. See, let's see there. Yeah, man, everything look good. You don't know. I have my water bottle. You see me? And my bottle I use for water them. And I'm giving a next update again. Because I use the bamboo. If you realize, when I put the screws here, look at this. Look what happened. Because when you cut green bamboo and it dry up, they shrink. So you realize the screw was here, so the bamboos, they were extended out to here. So I have to go put the screw in a little bit closer because the bamboo them shrink up. Yeah, man. I'm going to eat some sweet mango the other day, you know. I'm going to just throw the seed them in this with some water. See? I'm going to make them go and germinate because these mangoes I'm going to get from Kingston over by Sagicor. I'm going to say, yeah, I'm going to deal with it. So pretty soon, somebody said if I put them up on my veranda, I'm soon do that. And then but one next week, I give them one next week, then I transplant them in the actual soil out the door. Yeah, man. So that are the farm update, people. How it thing look, how it thing look. How it look, how it look. How it look. Beautiful, though. Beautiful, though. Yeah, man, that is it, man. All the melon them, as I say, we throw some melon seeds down here saying in the gully, you know. Yeah. Throw some melon seeds in the gully, because I tell you. See, we have a lot of pumpkin around. Let me see if I can show you the pumpkin them. You see that? This is our pumpkin. See, start blossom up there. You know, some nice big pumpkin I go down there. Because it's gully with the nice clay soil. Let me throw the melon seed them down there. So start see the melon them run. And then you can just run up and down and bear proper. Because I tell you, you know, we so harvest, man. Now we're in yourself. I'm showing you the place. Okay. See this man, I get up about after 5 this morning. So I look over there, so it's just like the fog just sit down on top of the tree them, and it looks so beautiful in the early morning. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to make sure I record the phone and show you how that look like. But we outside, man. Out in a yard. You don't know this thing come down, man. I'm put it in. I'm going to get my material them and I'm showing you how I go on. Now, on the rain, wet up my camera too tough, but I get my material them the other day. I just pay $1,000 for somebody with one van drop them off for me. So the landlady now, she change off some zinc off her roof, and she say she have some zinc and some board, so she carry them come give me. See them. Them I know some Solitex. We just go wash them off. You see me some zinc. And alright, so I have to do the farming, you know. I have to go clean out in the bed of this. I'm going to buy one rake and one hoe and a fork and clean it out, you see me? But she bring some zinc and give me. I say, alright. And then over here, so now she bring some board. I'm going to use them then now and set up my fowl cube, you see me? So I can choose some fowl for go and lay some egg, get some pigeon and some rabbit later next week. Stay tuned, I'm going to harvest them turmeric. You see me? Yeah, man, right, man. So, that tight for now, you know. I'm going to bathe now, get some breakfast, and I'm going to head out, go down in the St. Mary side. So, stay tuned for that vlog there. Yeah, man, I go down to Paradise. I see if I can get some jelly sprouts. If you care about cup, I come plant, because some of the sweetest jelly I eat. I down at St. Mary, I get them from over there. So, yeah. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see what I say? If you love the vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe, leave a like on the video, share the content to the people, man. For all those who are saying, yo, when them are progressing, I could see it. Whether or not this make it or fail, I go post the progress. But then I feel no, cause some people that say it now go be out of that style. Listen, the style when me get down, they say na the clay man, are the best thing. And then me get some style across here, some little loose dirt, and I tell you, that create wonders. A big man sell one or a Rasta man me buck on the road, man give me some gems where planting is concerned. And the man say me can use the manure, either from the pig, the chicken, or even the rabbit. Use the manure from that, mix it with a little bit of sand and dirt. The sand hold the moisture so you don't have to water your plant every day, you see me? And me I go use that trick for the actual garden outside, so we transplant them. You see me? So if you don't have any tips, leave them in the comment section so we can apply them to the journey as I go along. As I said before, I am new to farming, so I depend upon you to help out me so that the thing can grow bigger. And for the person who said that's not a farm, it's a garden, farmer agent or yourself, I'm gonna make it big just because you tell me something small. No, Diddy. You see what I say? Yeah. So we're gonna do the right thing. So big up for yourself. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You see what I say? Subscribe if you love the vibe for weekly uploads. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. Go and big up on yourself.